Alright, welcome everybody. I'm going to show you how to take a photo of Mr. T and combine it with Yoda to get a pretty funny image. Um, so first, open your Mr. T image, copy that, paste it into your Yoda image, and then what we're going to do is we're going to change the opacity. I'm going to slide that down to about 50%, and then we're going to move the image where it's supposed to go. Then, using your free transform tool, shrink the image a little. Zoom in a little bit here. Shrink the image a little. We're going to squash it down a bit just so we can make it match up a little easier. And we're going to widen it out just like that. And now we have the image placed pretty much where we want it to go. We might rotate that a little bit, but that's about it. When you're done, change the opacity back up to 100%. Add a layer mask to the image. Use a large brush with a wide, with a good feather to it. And what we're going to do is we're going to start to edit out this image. You can leave a, you can be very wide around the hair because we're going to use a trick to get rid of that later. Now down here on this side, we're going to actually be a little bit more accurate with our masking. And just zoom in real close, make sure you get all the details. And once you have a good masking job done, we can go on to the fun stuff. This is the most boring part of the whole process, but this is what really adds a lot of detail and quality to your image, so don't skip it. Alright, once we got that done, we zoom out, and we're also going to clean up this area a little bit. Maybe we'll add a little bit more hair back in. Alright, when you're all done, duplicate the layer, and we're going to do image adjustments, hue saturation, check the colorize tab, and then change your hue, slide it down a little bit, increase your saturation maybe. And also maybe decrease the lightness. What we're trying to do is get the Yoda layer to match the Mr. T face. Okay, once you've done that, what we'd like to do is we need to we'll delete this layer mask, we'll add a new one to the very bottom image, and we'll fill it all in with black. So what we're doing here is we're going to fill this all in with black, and that bottom layer has our color. So what we're going to do is we're going to use white now. We're going to show the eyes on the bottom layer. You can't see what we're doing yet. And we're going to show the color there. And then what we do is we go back up to our top layer and we mask that out and we get the color back into the eyes. And we can even get some color back into the lips and some of that color back into the earrings as well. Alright, once that's done, we're almost there. Go back to the top layer. Use a low opacity, like maybe 10 or 20%. What we're going to do is we're going to start masking in and allowing some of that texture from the Yoda face back into the image. And what this does is it helps the blend to come across a little bit smoother. And once you've done that, we're almost there. The next thing we gotta do is fix the hair. So what we do is we'll duplicate this layer, hide the bottom one, we'll apply the layer mask, we'll select the hair, copy it and paste it, and then what we'll do is we'll do image, adjustment, hue saturation, change the hue on it, the saturation, and the lightness. And what we're trying to do is make it match the background. When you're done, add a layer mask to that image. Mask it out using a widely feathered brush. And you can see here we're making it blend into the background. Then zoom in and mask out the bottom part. We'll mask out this bottom part here. Alright, and once that's done, you're almost finished. The last thing to do is to select the earrings, shown right here. Copy and paste them. We'll flip horizontal. We'll send it over to the other side. Double click those. Oh, that didn't work here. Free transform, flip horizontal. There we go. Now we got all the image. Before, it was only taking a smaller part. And we're going to mask this layer. And we'll zoom in. And we'll make sure we get all of it here. Alright, once that's done, we're almost there. One last step. Add a new layer. Select a little bit of the green from the brush here. And about 40% opacity. Paint in some green onto the face. Turn the blend mode to overlay. And you're done. That's it, folks. That's how you take the Yoda and Mr. T and you combine the faces.